For this test, SSIS, we are moving files, and I created 2 variables to help me move the files. And there's a loop container. I'm moving files, Excel files from the down files, using these variables to help. Once it's successful on moving, doing the loop and moving all the files into the then it sends a mail alerting that the task is successful using this SQL statement. It sends to my email and that profile where the email is configured. Well, I'm gonna execute it to see it works. First, here's the files that's located in the down files, and I'm gonna move it to process files. This says it's success, and we're gonna check if the files are moved. It's no longer in the down files, and it has been moved to the process file. Then it sent me an email. I can go check if I can check in here, and it successfully sent me an email saying the package is successful.